Hi, if you own an HTC like this one, you probably noticed that after some years the camera will end up failing. This HTC One M cannot focus anymore, as you can see. The one I'm using to record can focus, but this one is never gonna get focus. And you can even hear a buzzing sound of the camera focus trying to make the image look clear. But there's a solution for this. You can use a magnet like this one. By placing it next to the camera, and on models that have a case that is made of metal, the magnet will stick automatically. Then you go back to your screen and start moving the magnet with your finger around the camera until you get a better image, like that. There you go. I finally got a focus. Once you get the focus, you can usually just leave it there. If it doesn't work, then you can still move the magnet around the camera and hold it with your finger. Like that. I finally made it. I'm not holding it anymore. The magnet is sticked next to the camera and I got a focus. So this is a cheap fix for making your HTC able to take a picture again. So that's it. Bye.